Do you like it? Bah. Yo, I got a song stuck in my head. Let me just show it real quick. Look at this guy.
Do you like it? Yeah. Do you like it?
Instantly gonna get copyrighted. You know what I mean? This guy's so funny. Anyways, Craft Ramzen. Good afternoon, good evening. Still don't know what country you're from. Craft Ramzen. Let's do some stalking. Doesn't say. Gleba. Let's see. What does this mean? Latin. Puffball, okay. So you're probably from somewhere in Europe. God knows. Where you're from? Yeah, where are you from? Estonia. Ah, nice. Yeah, I knew you were somewhere from Europe. I could have just guessed. Oh, is my audio good? Just guessed. Oh, is my audio good? Yeah, we're good. We're good. What a lovely picture on that YouTube video. Oh my days. Okay. Yo, what? Oh, bro, I forgot how Linux worked. I've got everything stuck in my secret menu. Just put you there. Wait. Boom. Boom. Okay. I didn't do that though, did I? I'm still due to find a hosting provider. On what distro are you? I'm on Arch Linux running Hyperland. Arch Linux running Hyperland. Bro, what is this? This guy knows like every language underneath the sun, man. C++, C#, C assembly. Obviously Python, everything. This guy. Anyways. What did I want to do? We can't even. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's alright. I tried to do some Black Ops 2 modding, but it doesn't work because you can't do it on Linux. Pros of Linux right there. So I might go back to Windows for that. I forgot where I put my coding files. CPP. Oh. Bro, where did I put my C++ projects? Maybe it's in desktop. Ah, there it is, yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. Right. So I don't actually have a plan. Stream. I don't know why I've got this headband on either. And I also want to find different music. How's everyone doing? Milka Jlowski. You're doing good? I'm glad you're doing good. How am I doing? Let's not talk about that. Because I actually don't know. Yo, give me stuff to do. Wait, no. Wait, one sec. How did Craft from Zen know that Milka was in the chat before Milka even commented? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll just forget about it. Mika, you did not comment. You did not comment. What are you lying for? Your name is not in this chat until after. The order of events goes Craft rooms in says Mika, and then you send your first message here. So I don't know how on earth. This is some magic right here, man. Some magic. Oh, it hid your comment. Interesting. Oh no. Wait, oh I just found out something really bad. YouTube has two chats. The top chat and the live chat. So all this time, I've been actually missing out people's messages. Nick Daniela, I didn't see your message. I don't know why. Like, that is so weird. That is so weird. Smash also. I agree. I agree with the Smash. So, yeah. Yeah, God, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. I don't know what's going on with these comments. But yeah. There's nothing I can do about it. Does anyone have any ideas? If not, I'm just gonna steal something from here. I'll just go on day 14. Learn about multiple inheritance and how to use it. And then about virtual inheritance, abstract inheritance, abstract data types, and pure virtual functions. Now I don't know anything about that, so. I still haven't learned the basics of C++, so. Yeah. I want to do that first. It doesn't say the page number. Absolute melon. Actually, I have an idea. Day 14. I've got an idea. I'm gonna use my phone as well for a camera, just like I did. Cool headband. Blood ain't gangster. I'm not trying to be gangster. What? Who says gangsters are cool? What? Just because you carry a gun on your hip, like, you're not cool. You're not cool, G. Droid Cam, that's what it's called. Okay, right. Droid Cam download. I paid £10 for this software, and it is actually really good. I hope it works on OBS, on Linux. It does, yes. Oh, that's good. Flat pack. Yo, what on earth is flat pack? I ain't never seen this before. So. IV Cam is free. Yeah, but can you use 4K on IV Cam? No. For free at least. You don't know Flatpak? No, I'm still new to Linux. Flatpak. What is Flatpak? Oh, Mika, that's rude. Flatpak is utilities for software deployment and package management. Alright, so it's just like Pac-Man. Cool. Do I have that? Flatpak? No, I don't. Damn. I mean, me personally, I'm not gonna struggle if I donate £10 to a developer, so. FFmpeg, I do have that. Yeah, I got that, right. Yo, how do I do this? Unzip droid cam. Okay, done. Where have you gone then? So how do I... Man, I might as well go back to Windows. Alright. I'm not gonna give up. Let's try. Let's try this again. How to install Boom on Arch Linux. Hello, Will. You're sitting there silently in the chat. Willy Coding, welcome back. Spyware, no more spyware software, guys. Spyware OS, it's all gone. Make sure you have kernel headers. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna build it from scratch, apparently. So, manual. What on earth? Who's gonna manually install that, bro? Sudo pacman syu needed git base devil. That's not the correct password. Uh-oh. What did I just remove? Removing hyperland. Okay. Anyways. Where is this? Oh, we're in home. Okay, right. Okay, make package C. Boom. That's how it's done. Yeah, I installed Yay. A Droid Cam it's only a little plugin for OBS. Can't be that big. I mean, I have it on the Windows. On Windows. I installed it yesterday for the live stream, and it was a few seconds. So, sudo mod probe. I'm just gonna copy that. Okay. Oh no, do I have to restart OBS? Bruh. Yeah, the stream will stay up actually, yeah, you're right. It doesn't disconnect instantly. Okay, but it's fine. It should be fine. I just gotta put the IP in, right? So. Okay, I think that's the correct IP. Okay, it is good, but I don't have 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna restart the stream, but it will be fine. I don't have to actually restart it. So, alright, let's just see. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, it didn't. Load taper fade. No, it didn't work. It's stolen from that's what I did. It says install via hour. Right. So I did it. No, but I already have it. I have the application here. It's just how... It's not letting me put it in there. I don't like getting a load taper fade. It doesn't suit me. Or at least the way the barber does it. What suits me is a skin fade. It's not being managed by Pac-Man. Okay. So I'll just do this one then. So, right. CD TMP. Wait. It actually let you send a link in the chat. That is weird. You know, I can't even send links in my own chat, so I don't know how you can do that. Yeah, your link shows. That's so weird. I really like DroidCam. It's a good software. Motherfucker. Package to install. It's already installed. Should I do bin? No, it's not that mods can send links because I can't even send a link. Choose the package. I don't know what package I want. It says here, right? It's already installed. It's already installed. So, I think I'll do bin. Out of date? Oh, apparently I won't then. Apparently I won't. That's installed as well. Guys, don't know what you're talking about. No, not November. You shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't be doing that. You should be, no, not year. You ran your first sub 20 today. Sick. You're faster than me then. It's unhealthy not to goon for a year. Who's telling you to not have sexual activity though? I said don't goon. Ever, you know, you don't need to goon. You don't need to do that. But I didn't say don't have activity. Still need that. No, 0 times per year is the best. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Ya pierdole. Bruh. This guy's swearing, man. How do I... Motherfucker. Okay, right. It should be good now, so, right. Okay, I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna... monkey the stream, so I'll be back in a sec. It don't work. Don't work, man. Linux, man, you are testing my limits right now. You are testing my limits significantly. Oh, do I need to restart my PC? Take this as a lesson to pirate. Listen, on camera, we don't pirate. It's so funny though. I have it here, I have it. It's just, it literally connects to my phone. Average original L. Guys, if you can't afford it, if you can't afford software, just say it. It's not. Bruh. It's not here. Exactly. Find a partner. Like, you guys are the reasons why the male loneliness epidemic is rising. Listen, if you... Like, I know a bunch of you guys are like 13, 14 in the chat, 15, right? If you can't find a girl or a boy, you need to ask yourself, am I even good enough for a partner? What do I have to give for a partner? Are you good looking? Are you smart? Are you emotionally intelligent? You can have the previous two things I just said, but if you cannot take care of your partner, you don't deserve them. So don't bother looking until you are emotionally intelligent. I'd say that's the number one factor in saying if you deserve a partner or not. Nah, guys, if you're buying Windows, use my code in the description for 50% off. Loving, fulfilling relationship or just gooning? I'm gonna choose gooning. Alright, man. You do you. Yo, I never knew this clanker was this bad. Why? You used to be good. What the hell? I use Arch. Oh, you can't even see what I'm typing. Arch with Hyperland, you clanker. Actually, wait. I already have Droid Cam installed, but it's not. How do I make it appear in OBS as there isn't a source I can select in OBS? I moved. You need to make it specifically unavailable on Windows. Alright. Okay, so. Bruh. Well, two things do show. Yeah, it's connected via Wi-Fi. So, oh, my phone crashed. Ya pierdolę. Bruh. Bruh. This guy's eating sausage. You can't even see it, man. Sausage and eggs for dinner. Sausage and coleslaw, actually. Crazy. So, connected. I'll do port 6767 because I need to. Connect. Okay, we're all good. So it's showing up. It's working. Yeah, I can see that. So nvim dev video 0. Okay. So in OBS Studio, open DroidCam source properties and click refresh device list. I was nearly racist there. I'm joking, I'm not racist. He's not even responding to me anymore. Guys, we've managed to successfully do half an hour. Half an hour, no coding. Anything but coding, am I right? Anything but coding. No, it is connecting to the PC. Monkey. It's just the OBS doesn't have the DroidCam source. There needs to be a source right here, but it doesn't show up. "30 minutes no coding is short." Don't worry, we'll up that. You know, I think Hyperland is like the worst session out of all of the sessions. I have not seen this many restrictions on any other session on Linux. Like, utter monkey. You got to do clickbait, gang. It's not even clickbait, because I will do it at some point. Hyperland is Wayland. Yeah. Why would I want a static IP? Guys, should I just end the stream? Switch over to Windows, and then I can use DroidCam efficiently. Or should I just jump out the window? Who knows? Anyways, you're done, you go back there, right. Alright. Okay, so I guess you guys just want to see what the hell's going on here then. I'll do it at some point. Codes for 20 minutes, gives up, codes for 10 minutes, ends stream. I think it's even less than that, man. So why are there so many updates? Okay. I need to change out of my whatever the hell this is, because it's boiling. Did you learn about modular arithmetic yet? Because we just started and it's hell on earth. You know what? Yes. Whatever it is, yes. I'll be back in a minute. Whoa, what's going on? I've been gone for a minute and there's people. And my mod's deleting messages, man. What are you guys doing? Don't insult my Pookie like that. Don't make me ban you. You know what? I think everyone wants Will. Also, look at this real quick. Isn't this a sleeper build? Willie isn't as abusive as Gabe. I need to stop reading the fucking chat. I need to stop reading the chat, man. So. Inheritance. Sleeper build still sleeping. I agree, man. I got years left. Willie doesn't bully us like Gabe does. I do not bully anyone. What are these allegations? I said 10 seconds ago I need to stop reading the chat stream. The stream chat. And I did that 10 seconds later. So. Right, so. Now the problem with this book is they add on to previous content, so you can't just skip ahead and learn something from scratch. You need the previous content already written in your IDE, which I don't have, obviously. Learn about containment and delegation and how to model them. What the hell does that mean? You know what? Let's go to this. Day 17. Five, 7, 5. Okay. Okay. Right. Streams. Right, so until now you've been using C out to write to screen and C in to read from keyboard without a full understanding of how they work. Now you're going to learn what streams are, how they're used, how to manage input and output using streams, how to write to and read from using streams. I think I already know how to do that, but there is always something to learn. So the advantage of having an input and output kept apart from the language and handled in libraries is that it is easier to make the program platform independent. That is, you can write C++ programs on a PC and then recompile it and run them on a Sun workstation. Fuck is a Sun workstation? They used an example from like Mars. Why don't they say Linux or Mac? Sun workstation. Sun. Bro, what the hell? Sun Tzu workstation. Yo, £600. Solaris. Sick. My book is way more than 25 years old. Shit, I just read the chat. Oh. I need to stop reading chat. Okay, so. The compiler manufacturer supplies the right library and everything works. At least that's the theory. Encapsulation. The IOStream classes view the flow of data from your program to the screen as being a stream of data, one byte following another. If the destination of the stream is a file or the screen, the source is usually some part of your program. Okay. If the stream is reversed, the data can come from the keyboard or a disk file and be poured onto your data variables. One principal goal of streams is to encapsulate the problems of getting the data to and from the disk or the screen. After the stream is captured, your program works with the stream and the stream sweats the details. And we got an illustration for the fundamental idea. Keyboard goes to stream, stream goes to monitor. Disk goes to stream, stream goes to monitor. Okay, buffering, right. Writing to the disk and to a lesser extent the screen is very expensive. It takes a long time, relatively speaking, to write data to the disk or to read data from the disk. And execution of the program is generally blocked by disk write and reads. To solve this problem, streams provide buffering. Data is written into the stream. Data is not written back out to the disk immediately. Instead, the stream's buffer fills and fills. When it's full, it writes to the disk all at once. Okay. Okay, yeah. Buffers, easy. Yeah, like YouTube has the buffer as well when watching videos. The stream buff class manages the buffer, and its member functions provide the capability to fill, empty, flush, and otherwise manipulate that buffer. Oh, that's cool, actually. Let's check this out. So we got like a stream buff class. How does one access the stream buff class? Okay. Right, actually, that's not a good comment. We'll do the stream buff class manages the buffer. The iOS class is the base class. What does base class mean? To the input and output stream classes. Remember, okay. I stream iStream derives from iOS class and specializes in input and output stream behavior. Okay. The iOS stream class is derived from both iStream and OStream classes and provides input and output methods for writing to the screen. So writing to the screen. Oh, well, I'm guessing it just means through the console, through like text. But you can't actually draw rectangles on the screen with iOStream, from what I can tell. The fstream class provide input and output to files. Yeah, I need that. I didn't need to write that down. I need that. Whatever. When a C++ program that includes iOStream classes start, 4 objects are created and initialized. The iOStream library is added automatically to a program by the compiler. All you need to do is use the functions. All you need to do to use these functions is to use the appropriate include statement. Each of the standard devices, input, output, and error can be redirected to other devices. Devices? What devices are you talking about? Zoom in. Is that better? I actually can't zoom in more than that. So. Okay. I'll just do that actually. Okay. So each of the standard devices' input, output, and error can be redirected to other devices. Standard error is often redirected to a file, and standard input and output can be piped to files using operating system commands. Redirecting refers to sending output or input to a place different than the default. The redirection operators for DOS and Unix. Yo, what is DOS? We've got the redirect and... Oh, actually, that's some good notes, actually. Redirect input. Redirect output. That's good to know. Piping refers to using the output of one program as an input of another. Sick. DOS was for IBM PCs. Cool, but I want to know what it stands for. Then, well, obviously not denial of service. There it is. Disk operating system. Disk operating systems for IBM PCs, developed by Microsoft. So it's just for console then, console programs. DOS provides rudimentary redirectional. But why is it teaching me about DOS if I don't need it? Wait, actually, disk operating. Bro, why is it teaching me about disk operating system? Go get a new one. You get me a new one. You get me a new one, G. The book is ancient. Actually, to be fair, you're right, actually. I didn't think about that. When was this made? – 2001. 2001 is mad. 2000. Oh no. It's fine. The global object SYN is responsible for input and made available to your program when you include IOStream. Overloaded extraction operator. Oh, so is the overloaded extraction operator. Crazy words right there. How does this work? The syntax, as you remember, is the following. The global object cout. Wait. What can you guess about CN? It's a global object because you didn't define it in your own code. Before or after 9/11? It doesn't say the month. Yeah, unfortunate. It doesn't say the month. But I'm going to guess before. Yeah, I like touching it. I like smelling it. Look at this. Smelling is good. Like, books, they have the smell of the wood. And I like wood. I like the smell of wood. So, it may not be immediately obvious that Sin has overloaded the extraction operator for a great variety of parameters. Among them, int reference, short reference, long reference, double reference, float reference, and more. When you write C in angled brackets to some variable, the type of some variable is assessed. In the preceding example, some variable is an integer, so the following function is called. iStream reference operator angled brackets to a int reference. Bloody hell. Seeing. This is mad. This is some mad stuff. Clearly autistic. We will die by the time not having wood is a problem. Will, you're the moderator. I've given you powers so you can decide. Let the moderator moderate. So, no, because the parameter is passed by reference, the extraction operator is able to act on the original variable. Okay. Right, that's it. Mika's getting banned. Chameleon is a good moderator. Cool. Seeing can handle character pointer arguments, thus you can create a character buffer and use Sin to fill it. Right. Oh. Using strings with buffer strings. Okay, so car. Where the fuck is my syntax highlighting? Yo, where's this? Well, bro, the program's cooked again. Whatever this is called, lazy. What do you mean no file name? Oh, what the fuck? Yo, where's my stuff gone? Yo, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? Oh, nah. Bro. Bro. Where's all my code gone? Where's all my notes? It just disappeared. I vanished. Hello, welcome, welcome. You just joined during a disaster. Everything in my file disappeared. You weren't in the file, you were typing in the buffer zone. I'm just learning about buffers, man. Oh my days. Oh nah. So all of my notes are gone. They might be there. Nah, it's not here. Fuck. Oh, all of my notes are gone. I'm gonna kill myself. Bro, what is D space? Okay. Let's try that again. I'm just gonna take a screenshot from my stream, so. Okay. So they teach about full STL. Well, I was doing streams. Where is that picture I just made? CD pictures. Where is it? Where's my picture? Where's my pic? It's just gone apparently. It's just gone. Right? So I just made a picture, but where is it saved? Screen snip. Windows Shift S, that's what I did. Where is it saved? I'll just delete that. Can anyone can explain about complete binary tree in C++? Bro, what's a binary tree? Today's your exam. Your exam. You must be in America. You're either in America or Australia. Or somewhere very east in Asia. Isn't it late in India? Yeah, I guess you're in Asia somewhere. It's 5 a.m. Wait, no it's not. It's 3 a.m. in India. Bruh, go to sleep. Can you add DMs open and closed roles in the DC later? If you remind me, I will, yes. Good luck on your exam, Avanish. I trust that you'll get an A star. Minimum. Yeah, getting sleep is more important than the actual study. So you fix your sleep schedule well. I'm proud of you. It used to be cooked. A star, what that intended pun? Getting sleep for learning is ass. Oh no, Will, you can go to sleep if you want. You can go to sleep if you want, man. If there's less than 10 people, I can manage it, but more than that, I'm gonna need mods. You can watch if you want, but if you want to go sleep, you can. Unless original pisses me. The 8 hours thing is bullshit, though. Anyways, back to this. Why can't I screenshot? Back to this. Where are my screenshots? Arch Linux. It's not true, because some people need more, some people need less. Some people don't know how many hours they need because they're actually missing out on sleep quality rather than sleep quantity. You can make the same mistake I've been doing for many years. I've been getting between 8 to 10 hours of sleep in a night for many years, but I wake up shit always because my quality is bad. You can get, on the other hand, 7 hours of sleep, 7.5 hours with perfect sleep quality, and you'll be way more rested than someone who sleeps 9 hours. So prioritize quality, not quantity. Yeah, I'm sure I have sleep apnea. I'm really sure I do. My ex-partner said that I have been snoring in the night, and I find that really hard to believe, but it is true. And additionally, I wake up during the middle of the night at least once, guaranteed. 1 time per night. And that's due to my sleep apnea. There should not be this many ways to take a screenshot. Shift print screen. That didn't work. Shift print screen, Alt print screen. How many questions have solved on LeetCode platform and DSA? Well, if you're asking how many have I've solved 1. I've solved like 1 or 2, but with pain. Seems like Arch won't let me screenshot either. Cool. I'm loving this Arch experience, guys. It's so fun. So, okay, now I'm getting highlighting. Okay, so what the fuck? Okay, so seeing with string buffers. Wait, buffers with strings. I'm just gonna say that. Anyways, so we got car 50 name, and this is gonna be the buffer. And I forgot the semicolon. How wait. We are 1 hour 12 minutes in the stream and I just wrote my first line of code. I'm proud of myself. You can't use age as an excuse, no, because I'm 2 years older than you. Make my own keybinds, amazing. See out. Enter your name. Let's do a buffer overflow. I want to get a buffer overflow error because it sounds fun. Okay, anyways, I don't know what just happened there. So, right, so G++, random bomber clats, and then we got streams. It worked. Now let's try get a buffer overflow error. Oh, it worked. I thought I only allowed 50 characters. That's probably not 50 characters, to be fair. Okay, this should give us a buffer overflow error. Okay. Stack smashing detected. Fish. Oh, that's my terminal. Stack smashing detected. What does that mean? Let's just put chat in there. Okay, so let's try this again. Bro, what on earth is going on? Come on, man. I'm just trying to paste. Why is this so difficult? Right, we'll use this one. Now this should be 50 characters or more. What is fish, man? What is this fish thing keep popping up? Fish. I don't even like eating fish. A. Oh. What? What does this A mean? Oh, wait. Maybe that's 50 characters. Let's count. So, 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'll just paste this in the thing. But how do I know where's 50 characters? Clip that shit. What did you clip, man? Car counter. I just copied what someone said in the chat. Oh, 500 characters. No, I'm confused, right? I only allowed the code to have a buffer of 50 characters. And it stops after the letter A. So, why? So we've got like a number 1 here, right? This number 1 should not show up on the terminal if the program works. Stack smashing means you have stack protection. That means you hate performance. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50 characters. If I put a 5 at the end, it should... This is so weird. What's going on? So after a certain while, it stops accepting input and it starts going to the terminal. So this time we got to ing. Let's try this again then. I should probably I should probably change the text that I'm putting in terminal. I should probably change that. You know no math. Try and print the variable. Blood, we're not timesing anything. What do you mean timesing? I need to change that. I put 51 characters and it's saying 50. Turn off stack protector. How? Diddy blood. Used sin. It stops at white space. Use get line or don't include spaces. Well, in my opinion, it should crash the program. Okay, now it's good. Alright, since no one's telling me how to stop stack smashing, I'll just search up myself. No, I said stop. Oh, bro. I said how to stop it, not how to enable it, you melon. Disable. Yeah. My face is in the way, isn't it? Bro. Address boundary error. Address boundary error occurs when a program tries to access memory that's not allowed to. You did the actual Stack Overflow. I mean, that's the goal. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. Bruh. I want to access memory out of the memory location. How do I do that? Probably can't. Ah, okay. I don't think any sane person would do that anyway. Bloody fish. Right, so. Oh, that is sick. Right, so. What's the next thing I want? Well, I want £1 million. I want a beautiful, loving wife. I want about 12 children. And they're mine, obviously. Explanation, yes, give me one. Yeah. Discord, yeah, sure, man. Yeah, and what? Hello? Join the Discord, brother. Hello? Apparently I got all my notes back, so cool. You're going to sleep? Cool, man, me too. I'm going to sleep as well. Well, you ain't getting £1 million, a beautiful loving life, wife with 12 kids. Good night, Will. Good night. Mika, I don't remember asking you to join, honestly. Or if you're here, you might as well say hi. Say hi. I want to hear your voice. Bruh. Bruh, say that again.
What? 6, 7?
Right, that's it, you're getting banned.
No. No, what's wrong with 6, 7?
Right. Feels good. Feels good. You sent it now. Oh. Join VC. Come on, man. The first stack smashing thing you got was a variable being overwritten, then GCC, or it's G++, injects to check for stack overflows and no overwrites of the RBP pointer, causes overhead due to needing to check that value. The second was segmentation fault, which happens when you access memory not allocated in your memory page, causing an interrupt, which means you did a stack overflow trying to write memory outside the stack. Fair enough. Okay. So yeah, we can stop the stack smashing with that extra compiler flag. Yeah, thank you for the explanation. That does make sense. What the hell are those DMs? What's the problem with my DMs? Bro, I don't see anything wrong. Original, join the VC. Join the VC. Original, join VC. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you joined, but I didn't. Oh, that's Mika. I just got bamboozled. What's this? Right, that's it. I'm ending this stream now after I saw that. That is mad. That is mad. So. Operator, boom, returns a reference to an iStream object. Sick. The return value of sin is a reference to the iStream object. Because sin itself is an iStream object, the return value of one extraction operator can be the input to the next instruction. Ah, okay. So this is why we have 2 of these angled brackets, because the return value of one extraction operator is the input to the next extraction. Still don't know what that means. Anyway, so other member functions of sin. In addition to overloading operator boom boom, sin has a number of other member functions. These are used when finding control of input is required. Oh. Yeah, it's bedtime though, I can't lie. Okay. Mika. Do what you want.
Do what I want. So I have the power to say any word possible in the English dictionary, bad or not bad.
What?
You give me the power to say every word in the English dictionary, right? Give me the power to say every power in...
Well, you can do whatever you want as long as it's within the rules.
I see. I was about to start screaming the N-word.
You know what?
I was about to start screaming the N-word full volume.
Oh, the N-word. I mean, I don't condone that behavior, but if you want to get banned, you can obviously do what you want. It's like your human right. So.
Yeah, I see.
Like I can't control what you do. I can't control what anyone does. I only control what the consequences are. So.
Yes, you can control us. We are your little fanboys, me and Original. Original, confirm that in the chat. What the fuck is that face?
Listen, I don't want to control anyone, apart from my wife. That was a joke. Don't come up.
Oh, so
that was a joke.
I see.
That was a joke.
I see.
Okay, well, I'm not. It's teaching me some really monkey stuff, this book. I might throw it out the window. Or we can do with. Wait a second. Good night, Mika. I just realized I can do something pretty cool. Watch this. There's a width. Okay, let's compile this. G++. Boom, boom. So if you do dot width, it adds a padding. Epic information right there, guys. Right, so this book's going in the bin. This book's going in the bin, man. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this stream. I hope none of you enjoyed. I hope to see none of you next stream. You know what I mean? Yeah. Make sure you don't join the Discord server. Make sure you hit that dislike button. You know what I mean? That's how we do it. And yeah. Good night, everyone. And who has that exam? Avanish. Avanish isn't watching, but good luck, Avanish. Forehead showcase. Nah, I'm not KSI, man. I can't reveal the forehead. Good night kiss. I don't give goodnight kisses. I don't give goodnight kisses to boys. I only give them to transgendered boys. So, transgendered girls, you know what I mean? I did it once. You must be hallucinating. I didn't do such a thing. You're trans. Nah. I didn't do it to women. I didn't do it to women. I don't do it to women. I only do it to trans men. Don't question your identity. Of course I'm gonna question your identity. What, you think I'm a woke culture person? It's getting sweaty in here. You're a trans man, alright. I did it. Okay, good night, my two good night, my two favorite fans. Obviously, I'm referring to myself and God, you know what I mean? Yeah. Good night, Original. Good night, Mika. I hope to see you in Nah, this guy's definitely getting banned. Oh my god.